Hello, this is Jenny from Easy Chinese. Last time I showed you the dumpling with the cod and pork tenderloin plus the garlic sprout I grow in my house. This time I'm going to make a slightly different filling with the cod and chicken breast plus the wild garlic chive I pick up from the park. Dumpling looks like all the same, but actually it's the filling makes a difference. This is about the 600 gram of the plain flour with 260 milliliter of water. I made the dough already to let it set, the longer I set and then the smoother it is. I already chopped this chicken breast. It's about 200 gram of the chicken breast. I minced them. This is a piece of cod, about 600 gram. I'm going to chop them and mix with the chicken breast. It's half, frozen. It just makes it a little bit easier to cut, to slice and chop. I'm going to season this first. 1.5 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper powder, 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of rice cooking wine, 1.5 tablespoon of this oyster sauce, 5 tablespoons of this sesame oil, 1 egg, this just a half tablespoon of dark color soy sauce. I mix it one direction until you feel it's getting heavier and heavier. This is ready. See, it's very difficult, very heavy to stir. That means it's ready. Now I'm going to cut these vegetables. Look at this. Looks like chive, but it's a wild garlic chive. It smells garlic. I pick up from the park. It is looks like available from March and early April. I'm going to use this to make the dumpling today. I mix this vegetable with all the fish and chicken. Well, if the vegetable is the very waterish kind, don't mix them before you wipe them. This one is quite dry, so I can mix them now.